Hi guys! Today you see me starting with a piece of a branch. I just dipped it in some acrylic paint and I'm just making random marks with it. So now I just grabbed a graphite pencil and I'm just scribbling down whatever was on my mind. And I think I start making marks with this pencil as well. Yeah, so I decided to pull out my color scraper and I'm just pulling the gesso out, and the paint is still wet, so that's why it's turning gray. So at this point I'm not too happy with myself. I didn't like that yellow mustardy color that I bring in there, and I'm trying to figure out how to save this. Yeah, so guys, I put this gesso down and then my phone rang and I forgot that I had put gesso down. So you see it laying there, and I'll be spreading it out in a second or two, so bear with me. So here I come back with that stick again, trying to create more marks. I want to get more interest into this painting. Yeah, so at this point, my brush is kind of dry. It has very little paint on it, and I'm just painting over different areas where I want the background to like shine through. And I guess you could compare it to a kind of glazing effect, I guess. So now my brush has like very little paint and a lot of water on it because I'm trying to create a glaze, and I'm using my fingers to blend the colors together. So at this point, I'm bringing in my fine liner. It's getting close to the end. I'm pretty happy with this painting. I like that it turned out really expressive, and it was real fun to make. As always, leave me a comment, guys. I love reading your comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.